How's it all, traders, and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're seeing gold slightly hampered in a bit of a descending channel for the last couple of trading sessions. We're just waiting to see if it's going to pop up past the 1960 region, 1970 region to get back into a bullish trend, or if we're going to have this kind of momentum and sentiment going lower. We've seen the dollar being very, very positive in the last couple of weeks as well. Good NFP numbers, good inflation data from the Fed as well, getting back down to its 2% target, only 2% away, because it currently stands 4% year on year. So this is what we're looking at as we go into the second half of the year. It doesn't look like a recession is going to form anytime soon, especially across the other side of the Atlantic. That's going away from the European zone after the ECB did raise its bank rate by 0.25%, signaling that possibly the European zone isn't out of the threat of a recession just yet. But let's get straight into the charts. As I said, not too much in the way of fundamentals or news on this Monday as we kick off the trading week. But as we get into what looks like as I said, a descending channel on the 4-hour chart, we're just now waiting to see if that's going to have any impact on the direction of the dollar as well. So currently trading roughly just above the 1950 area. We have sank roughly about $10 from the morning session. Just getting a little bit worried for a few of our bullish traders to see if they're going to not have another swing low back down to this area of 1930, which we saw only a couple of trading sessions ago. So it is likely that we could see this $20 move to the downside really exhibit this bearish stance. On the RSI, not too much in the way of divergences. As you can see, it's pretty much going as the price action is on the chart. But if we look on the 1-hour chart more significantly, just to get a better degree of action on the trend of where we're looking at the moment. So if we just pick this up now, as I said, just waiting to see where the next move is, because in this bearish channel, we do have another small bearish channel forming. And if we're just looking likely now where this next move is going to be on the chart, because we're just seeing now, as I said, another slight bearish channel forming, and this could actually start bringing prices roughly down to about 1940. So another $10 drop isn't really out of the question for today's trading, because it is sentiment. As I said, there's not really many fundamentals that can really shake up the market at the moment. It's mainly just progressive sentiment that we've seen for the last couple of weeks as well. So as I said, good NFP numbers, good ADP numbers, good job numbers coming out of America, and of course the inflation, the big topic of concern. If we look at this time last year, it was 9.1% at a 40-year high. Now we're looking likely that it is going to reach the 2% target that the Fed did quote us this time last year as well. So really progressive moves from the Fed, and it looks like it's paying off as well, because if we look on the dollar chart, we'll just put it back to the 4-hour for the index, and you know, we are seeing this, we were seeing, sorry, this kind of V-shaped recovery to the downside, basically take this kind of action here. But now we're seeing possibly a move higher. Will we see prices get back down to $101? It is likely that we might see another leg lower. It just depends if we break the $100 area, and this would be quite a big psychological number for the dollar and for the Fed, because they'll have to probably think of what their next rate hike will be, because they did say there is going to be another one by the time the end of the year rolls along. So let me know what you think of the topics we discussed today, the direction of gold, and obviously where we're heading to next, because it could be quite a big step in the right direction for the dollar at least. So let me know what you think. This video will be posted on our YouTube and Telegram channels as usual, so feel free to send me your comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So have a great trading day ahead, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.